The next DSG option is to generate a sweep frequency time signal, which is to make the frequency and amplitude sweep through a preset rate and range. The following parameters are used to define the sweep pattern. First, specify start sweeping after how many seconds. This means the frequency and amplitudes will be held constant before the start time. Let's enter 1 second start time. Then specify sweep rate per second. After the start time, the frequency and amplitudes will start sweeping linearly at this rate. Let's enter 500 Hz sweep rate for the frequency and 5 engineering units per second for amplitudes. Uncheck or turn off sweep for noise amplitude. Next, select the sweep duration. Enter 2 seconds for both frequency and amplitudes. Next, select the hold time before repeating, which means at the end of sweep duration, the frequency and amplitudes will be held constant again for this hold time. Let's enter 1 second. There are 2 options available at the end of each sweep cycle. The first one is repeat, which simply repeats step 2, 3, and 4. The second option is reverse rate then repeat, that is at the end of sweep cycle. First repeat step 2, 3, and 4 by reversing the sweep rate. Then continue with alternating sweep rate. Let's select this latter option. Click OK to return to main menu. For channel 2 and channel 3, the same sweep rate will also be applied. Now click play to generate the time history and PSD of this DSG signal. The effect of sweeping frequency can be clearly shown in the time history and PSD, as well as in the tracking frequency in reference window.